Okay, so this is the last of the 4 videos. It's all about homework. And the first thing is, please, for anybody who has not completed homework that was due yesterday by 4 p.m., please do so ASAP. Um, and secondly, the second piece of homework is you assign it. So we talked about how you would be taking over homework assignments and assigning them yourself. So think about what it is that you think you need to do. Are there things you need to learn? Are there things you need to research? Are there people you need to interview? What is it that you need to do for your homework? And it should relate to your WIT enterprise. So for example, going back to that Venn diagram, if something you were interested in is making videos and a cause that you care about is helping the homeless, and so the enterprise idea you have is, hey, I want to make some documentaries about homeless people and share it via social media so more people understand what it means to be homeless and affect change that way, then maybe your homework might be, well, wait a sec, is somebody already doing this? Which organizations in my area are already helping the homeless, and how are they doing it? What are all the ways that people have helped the homeless so far, and what's that, what people call white space? What's that blank space where nothing's being done? Like, that's where you should fit yourself and your enterprise. So you need to email me by Friday, October 7th, again, 4 p.m., with what you're going to assign yourself. This gives me time to quickly get back to you if I think maybe it's what you're doing is too broad, or what you're thinking of doing actually is great for homework, but it should only be a piece of your homework, etc. So again, homework. If you've not finished the homework that was due yesterday by 4 p.m., you need to do it. Remember, this is a college level class. So you are earning college credits. In college, your professor, most of them, not all of them, most of them will not remind you to do your homework. Instead, you will get a big fat 0. However, a lot of the homework that we've been doing is so important to helping you figure out your WIT enterprise. I'm insisting that you get it done. I would be that college professor that would be probably knocking on your dorm room door and saying, where's your homework? Let's get it done. And then also, being an entrepreneur means that you have to address deadlines. You have to be aware that there are deadlines. Being human, you're not going to always meet them. I row in that same boat. There are times where I don't meet them, but I need to own it, and I need to think about, why am I not completing these deadlines? Because it's a choice. And so if I really want to show up, if I really want to set myself up for success, if I really want to step into my greatness, then I need to change some of the things I am doing, and that goes for everybody. So homework needs to be completed on time. And with regards to this week's homework, you are assigning it yourself. You need to email me by the 7th, 4 p.m. That gives me enough time to give any feedback if I need to. If you don't hear from me, that means you're on your way. I do know that it is a long weekend, so everything is good, and I will follow up with an email, but let's have everything be due on Tuesday, because it's a long weekend. So let's have everything be due on Tuesday. I'm looking at the date, October 11th, 4 p.m. Yes, 4 p.m. You're going to see 4 p.m. a lot. All right. So that is the last video. I hope you have a great class. Enjoy yourself, and look for an email, a follow-up email about homework. I also indicated somewhere that I'll send a follow-up email about this next week's class, because we don't have class on Monday because it's a national holiday. And use each other, help each other out. You know, you can post questions on Schoology, you can text each other. If just as entrepreneurs do when they're building a business, they have the team around them. You know, there's no per se quote unquote teacher that's going to give them the answers. You just have to, you know, trust each other to help and trust yourself. All right, that's it.